Hey, I'm London. Long time no see, huh? Since I was extremely busy these days with overloaded assignments in the university, after finishing them, I wandered around YouTube and made up an idea for this Christmas. That is, mechanical treatment box. Is that cool, right? So I will show you how to make it from scratch. Okay, let's get started. First, I used SolidWorks to design my idea. It took me over 1 hour to design this box, including the mechanical parts. Yay, it's done! It's so glorious, right? Okay, so I simulate the movement of it to show you how it works. Let's throw the files into the 3D printing software. Alright, let's bring them out. I used the candy color filament for the ribbon of the present. Okay, let's take it out. This is the key for the box. The print quality is excellent. It is so shiny. Okay, now we sample it. Now you have a secret place to put anything into here. For example, 100 bucks. Okay, that's it. Please like and subscribe if you love this video and have fun with 3D printing.